To create this design, add a cylinder with 32 words. S, Shift Z and scale it along the X and Y axis. Control A, apply the scale. Shift D to duplicate it and S, Shift C and scale it along the X and Y axis. Then scale it along the Z axis. Like this. Go to the edit mode, select the top face, use the insert operation and extrude it. Here you can see the design. We want to create something like this. Duplicate this cylinder, select these two objects, Shift Q, use the boolean operation difference. Then apply this boolean modifier and here is the cutter object X and delete it. Hide this cylindrical object. Go to the top view, select these faces and delete them. Select this edge loop, right click, bridge edge loop. Shift A, mesh, add a cube. This is our another cutter object. Scale it along the x-axis. Try to match these vertical edges. Move it along the z-axis. Then select these two objects and Shift Q, use the boolean operation difference. Select this cutter object, Control A, apply the scale. Select this object, Control A, apply the scale. Go to the edit mode of this cutter object. Select this corner edges and Control B, add bevel on them. Add a 2-segment bevel like this. Then apply this boolean modifier and then delete this cutter object. Go to the edit mode, select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry. Delete this half part. Before creating topology, use the knife tool and press C, X and create this kind of horizontal cuts like this. Then select these words and press J to connect them. Dissolve this edge, select these words, merge at last. Use the knife tool and then create cut like this. Select these words and merge at last. Select these words, press J to connect them. Select everything, press M and merge by distance. And adjust the merging distance so double words will get merged. Then select this edge and Control X to dissolve it. Then select these edges. Now in the design we have this kind of form. So we want to create it. For that, select this edge and G and Z, move it along the Z axis. Like this. G and Z, move it along the Z axis. Then select this edge and use the edge slide at there like this. Adjust the position of the words a little bit. Then select this edge and Control B, add bevel on it. Dissolve this edge. Then use the knife tool and create cut like this. Select these words and connect them. Select everything, press M and merge by distance. Now delete this part. Delete this bottom face. Select these edges and press F, fill the gap. Now select this edge loop and Control D, add bevel on it. Add a 2-segment bevel and shape factor should be 1. Add 4 loop cuts like this. Add 4 loop cuts here. Then add few loop cuts in this way. And then hit Ctrl 2 to add the subdivision modifier and shade smooth it. Select this bottom edges and Ctrl B, add bevel on them. Now select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Stick the symmetry along the x-axis and y-axis. Unhide this object. Select these edges and Ctrl B, add bevel on them. Select this face, use the insert operation, delete the face, select this edge loop and face grid fill. Select this face, use the insert operation, delete the face, select this edge and face grid fill. And hit Ctrl 2 to add subdivision modifier, add a few loop cuts here and shade smooth. And this is how you can create this kind of design. Here is the reference. I just wanted to show how you can create this kind of design. If you want more slope here, you just need to move this words little bit more along the z-axis. Okay, something like this. So you can see the topology and you can see the form. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. Till next video. Take care.